CPA Freebooter. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. CPA Freebooter, CPA affiliate marketing course using Bing Ads and Google Adwords to drive traffic to high-no, newbie-friendly CPA method generates $9K plus per month without selling anything. CPA Freebooter is a step-by-step video training along with PDFs and guides where we reveal the exact systems used by us to build a $9K plus per month CPA revenue. The over-the-shoulder video training covers everything a newbie needs to get started quick and scale the CPA earnings from $50 day to $300 day within few weeks. The complete CPA system requires the cheapest traffic plus high-converting CPA offers equals results in easy $9K plus per month. Inside CPA Freebooter you'll discover 2 traffic systems, CPA with Bing Ads, CPA with Google AdWords, plus 2 live case studies with real-time results. Auto 1. 10 done-for-you campaigns. Customers will get landing pages, articles, content, offer details and email swipes. Succeeding offer details, Google AdWords images, Bing Ad images and audience details. Plus they will get a special CPA List domination as a bonus that uses Bing Ads to dominate CPA. Auto 2. 5 video case studies. There will be 5 video case studies that will show you exact offers, landing pages used, ad image used, exact ads running on Google AdWords, full details about targeting. Top 5 niches will be covered. Everything revealed in the video. They also get top landing pages and Google text ads in top 5 niches: MMO, health, real estate, banking and employment. Special affiliate recurring income case study. As a bonus, Auto 3. FB Group Coaching Q&A sessions. FB Group Coaching Q&A sessions, plus many other coaching courses and training. Direct access to building a 6-figure business using the 6-figure coaching program. Direct access to Demetrius and Rams and email to ask any questions you may have. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.